Okay, go away, chicken. Rah! Stupid chicken. So, this is going on today instead of that. Look at the difference. It's not that much smaller. It's probably about half, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, maybe 6 inches. But it should be way louder, especially when that baffles out. We're gonna try and get these chickens away because they're a pain in the ass. So yeah. So as far as I understand it, let's put this down. Put that back in the box for the moment. As far as I understand it, oops, sorry, overexposed, whatever. I have to take it apart from here, so I need to take these out, which takes the shield off. Ow! Thing pecked me. Goddamn chicken pecked me. Should have figured that. So I have to take these off, and then I have to take that collar off and take this off. And then it looks like just this bolt, I think. And that gets replaced with the new one. So they should be pretty damn easy. I say that, but we'll see. Since I'm going to record this anyways for all the people that have an FZ8, and there's no videos on this ever, because I've looked. I promise you I've looked. That bolt right there, the one that holds on your exhaust, is a 9/16. Is a 9/16 bolt, and it should be nice and tight when you take it off, because it fucking was for me. But there it is. Bam, bolt. I did have the other screws. And these two little screws right here came off of the bottom of this. So we should be very on our way. I think I have to... No, I don't have to take those off. I think I just have to take that off and then wiggle it free. And we should be... I don't know if you can see it. That right there is the bolt that holds the whole pipe to the under part of the exhaust. I'm assuming the cat. Yeah, because there's the O2 sensor, so probably the cat. But yeah, so this thing's going to come off pretty easily, actually, it looks like, because it's already pretty loose. It's just that holding it on. Sweet. Dumb. Very dumb. So there it is. It literally is, you take this bolt off, which is, and as I said, the 9/16 right here. I'm assuming there's some metric thing for it, but I'm American, so screw me, right? And then this one right here, this bolt, or this screw, this side, whatever you want. Yeah, this bolt, whatever. This holds on that to there, and this is a 10mm, I'm assuming, because it came right there, 10mm. It came in the tools that you get with your bike, so that's nice and easy. My phone's blowing up. So now we have a straight back. Yeah, that's definitely a cat. Whatever. We're gonna do this. See how loud it is without any muffler, just for the fuck all of it. That's hilarious. Okay, that's just a little bit too much. That's awesome though. It sounds really mean without anything on it. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna put on this. Look at this. It must weigh a good 10, 15, 20 pounds. It's not a bad exhaust, and you can tell the guy who had it before me slid on it, scratched there. But whatever, so yeah. So there it is. It's all on, the sticker's on. This is bent. These are stuck on, clamped down, all nice and tight. These actually weren't as hard as I thought they were going to get to be on, because they don't have to stretch as far as I thought they would. The only thing I have to say is this bolt right here is actually the OEM bolt, or stock bolt, whatever you want to call it, that came on the old exhaust. Because the bolt that came with this, I don't know, you won't be able to see it probably, but right back here, yeah, does that help at all? I don't know. Right back here, there's a nut, whatever you want, a nut. That's exactly what it is. That holds this bolt through, because there's no threading through this. It's literally just a piece of metal with a hole. So the bolt that came with this exhaust was about yay long. It was shorter than it had to be by about 1/2 inch, and also didn't thread, so I had to use the stock bolt, but it should work perfectly fine. And where's my key? My key! So yeah, that's with T-baffle. So we're going to take T-baffle out because, yeah. So if you don't know, that little ring right there, you just squeeze like so, squeeze it, and then it comes out, and all it does is hold that in, and you, ta-da, baffle this. So now the baffle's out, let's see. Sounds like a real bike. So yeah, that is it. I mean, it literally took me about 20 minutes. It's probably one of the easiest. Look at the smoke. Slow zoom. Yeah. It's literally one of the easiest things you can do. It's literally this bolt, which is a 9/16, which apparently I've been told is the same as a 14mm. I don't know. And then this little guy right down there, that one right there, is a 10mm, which I don't know the conversion for that for standard either. So yeah, but it's nice and easy. The stock one probably weighs about 20 pounds, I would assume, because it's pretty much all steel, and like this whole piece is welded on in one piece, like the whole thing. And it's probably about, yay, 3, 4, 5 inches shorter maybe. And I mean, this one's all carbon, so it's got to be, I mean, the whole package, this whole thing, everything that came in the box was 6.7 pounds. So you can't tell me, I mean, that's including like the outer box, the box that this came in, like, you know, there's the big box and there's shipping box in this box, and then all of the packaging and foam and everything. So yeah, it's nice and easy. It's really not that hard to do if you really are thinking about like making or want an exhaust. This is your, I'm gonna go with this because it sounds fucking mean. So yeah, peace.